Hello guys, ako nga pala si Paul Renzo Rabanzo from Block 1, Web and App Development. In this video guys, we're gonna be exploring myself through two perspectives. Carl Rogers, Real Self versus Ideal Self, and George Herbert Mead's I and Me.
In behavior. I think it's one of the most delicate and
According to Carl Rogers, we all have a real self, means who we are now, or kung sino at ano tayo ngayon. And ideal self refers which is who we want to become, kung ano gusto natin maging.
I discovered that simply listening.
Halimbawa na lang nito, me as college student. Complete assignment, nakapag-review, wala nang gagawin, at mahaba yung tulog. But in reality, marami akong gagawin. So nag-rush ako late at night dahil sa walang time management. Yan ang real self ko. The gap between my real and ideal self is like a wake-up call. It reminds me to accept my present self but also motivate me to keep improving. Okay, ito na tayo sa susunod. Kay George Herbert Mead. According kay George Herbert Mead, the self is made up to two parts, the I and the me. The I represents my spontaneous personal side. Ito yung version ng sarili ko na nag-a-act ng natural, free at walang iniisip na judgment ng iba. On the other hand, the me is my social self. The part of me that's aware of how others see me. Here is my example on George Herbert Mead. In the first picture, you can see me doing something I enjoy, like gaming or being creative. This represents my I, the spontaneous side of me. It's the part that expresses my thoughts and feelings naturally without worrying about what others think. On the other hand, you can see me in the classroom setting, standing in front of my classmates. This shows my me, the social side of me. Here, I adjust my behavior, act more formal, and think about how others might see me. So, both of these are always present, the I and the me. The I keeps me authentic, while the me reminds me to adapt and be mindful of others. Together, they balance my identity. So, after learning Rogers and Mead's ideas, I realized na mas naintindihan ko na po yung sarili ko. From Rogers, yung gap between real self and ideal self is okay lang yun sa akin kasi doon nagsisimula yung growth. And from Mead naman, nakita ko yung importansya ng I and me, yung pagiging totoo sa sarili. As student and future professional, these two perspectives guide me to accept who I am right now, but at the same time, keep striving to become the best version of myself. Thank you for watching po.